Are you looking for the best lug wrench? In this video, we will break down the top 6 lug wrenches on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
VdoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
The performance tool comes with 4 built-in sockets to use on different lug nuts. The sockets measure 17mm, 19mm, 21mm, and 23mm, and they will fit most standard lug nuts. Each socket handle has the individual size marked on it both in metric and SAE measurements. The sockets are thinly walled to work on nuts in tight spaces, but sturdy to prevent them from ripping apart when subjected to pressure. The lug wrench is designed to be folded when not in use, and it is well made, so it will not feel flimsy in your hands despite the foldable feature. The handles are long to provide you with extra leverage when breaking loose stubborn nuts. It is made from heavy-duty forged steel, and it features a chrome-plated finish to prevent it from rusting or wearing out due to corrosion. The handles of the wrench have a smooth finish to allow you to spin it with ease, but they also provide a firm grip when you need to tighten or loosen a nut. This makes it possible for you to fix your car within a short time. The EPAUTO 14-inch universal lug wrench is a model to consider if you need one small enough to keep in a compact car at all times. It comes with 4 socket sizes, ranging from 11 by 16 inch to 7 by 8 inch, so you will likely have the size you need at all times. While the company claims that it's also compatible with metric sizes between 17 and 22mm, there's a chance that you'll strip them with SAE size tools. This model is just 11 inches across, so it doesn't take up much space when not in use. Plus, it's chrome-plated, so it has exceptional resistance to corrosion and rust, and should last a long time. This model may be too small for some people's needs, and you may not be happy with the leverage it offers. Still, if you're looking to save money and get a great lug wrench, you'll be satisfied with this model. The Gorilla 1721 power wrench can extend from 14 to 21 inches to give you that extra room similar to what a breaker bar would provide. Even lugs that were put on at the local tire shop too tight with an air impact wrench are easier to loosen with a long enough handle. You can then shorten the handle, so it spins all the way around for quick removal. You will like the way the handle collapses for easy storage, so you can stow it away, instead of leaving it to rattle around in the trunk. Unlike the competition, the Gorilla Power Wrench has a spring-loaded locking mechanism to keep it extended when you need the extra length. The Gorilla Wrench includes 17mm, 19mm, 21mm, and 23mm 6-point sockets to accommodate most lugs. A thin-walled wrench socket set is also available. The LUGSTRONG is designed to outperform most breaker bar type lug wrenches, and still provide the speed and convenience of a Class X pattern lug wrench. All this is achieved by designing the wrench to be assembled in one of several configurations, depending on the amount of torque required. Users can just snap this wrench together for a very good Classic X pattern, or employ an L pattern similar to a breaker bar. This tool can generate a lot of torque with its 26-inch lever. It can deliver a lot more torque than 21-inch telescoping breaker bar designs, because the LUGSTRONG operates at a true 90-degree angle, not the slightly obtuse angle of telescoping breaker bars. The tool has a half-inch drive adapter that allows for the use of other sockets. This makes the tool especially helpful in a wider set of applications. And it is extremely easy to store, and comes with a well-made and durable storage sleeve. The DORMAN 711-900 makes the grade as one of the better lug wrenches, because it comes with thin-wall sockets that you can use with custom rims and recessed lugs. The handle extends to a full 21 inches to give you more leverage, and then slides together for fast lug nut removal. Plus, the double-ended sockets mean you get 4 socket sizes with fewer pieces, but you may have a problem with proper fits on metric lugs. To eliminate the problem, you can throw in a deep well socket with the correct metric size. This lug wrench is one of the most innovative designs you will find. The cost is significantly lower than the leading competitor, but you will be sacrificing an inch of handle length, and that means a little less leverage. This wrench measures a tiny 13 inches, but it can extend up to 21 inches when you need to use it. Along with a handy storage bag, this tire wrench is easy to store in a vehicle, but still can give the length to provide the leverage you need to tackle stubborn bolts. The only small issue is with the sockets that come with this wrench. You do get 4 of them in the most commonly used sizes, but they are not quite as deep as you will find with some other models. It probably won't make a huge difference to the use of the wrench, but is something to keep in mind.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your field.